Allowed since complied with the last order, my lord. Last order issued the
appointment order.
Obviously today
without
my lord, that all that has been fully complied with, and they have filed an affidavit today. It may not be on record. Yeah, we are carrying copies, my lord. We have along with so filing. My lords may see page 5 onwards, page 7 onwards are all the 11.
We don't need to see the orders.
Page 2, para.
What have you said in the
page 2, para 5?
Para 5. No, but we also specifically said without.
My lords, the letters are there. Yes, my lords. 4 and 5 are the letters. 4 is also there. Para 4 says. I will assume.
Para 4
says that they have not been dislodged. The show cause notice have been cancelled.
Page 5 is also not there. That is an indication that
Mr. Chandradhara and Mr.
So there's no issue.
One small observation: the director has requested the district education officers to cancel the show cause notices in light of the orders passed. But that cancellation, as I understand, has not taken place.
But what have you said about that?
My lords, yes, my lords may see page 4. That's the communication my learning. There is one request that I also wanted to make, my lords. There's one request. I'm so grateful for the induction till now, whatever has been the indulgence. It may be unreasonable to ask for the back wages, I understand. But, my lords, for the seniority, as compared to Mr. Shankar Narayan's clients, whenever the promotion comes up, I will be considered junior. So therefore, my seniority may be considered at par with them because my original date.
Some reservation to that given.
How can they have? How can they have a reservation?
That we'll leave it open.
That issue is beyond the scope of
what
happened.
The reason is this. Can I just take
a separate cause of action?
Because they have come here. Had they not come here.
No. Even if they've come here, that doesn't mean that we enlarge the scope of this.
My lord, consider recording that the issue is not being touched upon.
No, we will not say anything. No opening windows.
Well, what can I just take?
If you have a cause, you take it up.
Can I just take 30 seconds?
We are not going to open any windows for you.
Can I just re-clarify what I'm asking? I'm just trying to say that my appointment or my seniority may be at par with Mr. Shankar.
That is something that you need to ask them to treat you as on par with them. If they accept it, they have a cause of action.
There will be other persons appointed after that.
There is no one. The only appointments.
We don't know.
This contempt case was instituted alleging willful disobedience to the order dated
8/10/2020.
8/10/2020. 8/10/2025 passed by this court in transfer petition numbers
1406. No?
Where is this?
Everything is produced, my lord, at page 5.
One transfer petition
1406-1406.
Which page is the order?
The original order, my lord, would see.
The page 1 the contempt.
So many loose papers here. I don't know where. The application for direction order.
Page 140.
In which one should be?
Well, the main contempt petition.
Main contempt.
Page 140. 140.
140.
140. Bottom of the page.
This one. This should be this one. 140.
Bottom of the page.
Yes.
The second transfer petitions are relevant. 1052 is not relevant for today.
The contempt is in which one?
1404-1406
of 2025. By the said order, this court directed the state of Telangana to issue appointment letters to the petitioners therein within a period of 3 months. Compliance affidavit dated.
Plus today's date, now it's on 10th.
(10/4/2026) has been filed by the District Education Officer, Hyderabad District, Telangana, reporting full compliance. Therein, in para 4, it has been stated that the Director of School Education issued proceedings dated 9/4/2026 instructing the district educational officers of the concerned districts to cancel the show cause notices issued to the 11 secondary grade teachers and to appoint the petitioners in compliance with the order dated 8/10/2025 passed by this court. Full stop. Para number 5 thereafter records that In compliance with the aforestated instructions, the district educational officers of the concerned districts have issued appointment orders to the petitioners on 9/4/2026, and the same have been communicated to them. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioners in the contempt case fairly states that the order passed by this court has been complied with. Learned counsel appearing for the interveners states that the interveners are yet to be communicated the cancellation of the show cause notices issued to them. However, in the light of the clear statement made in the compliance affidavit, we are certain that necessary steps to complete that process would be taken expeditiously. Before that, just mention, I'll lift it in. By order dated 25/3/2026, while allowing the interveners to come on record, interveners in IA number 92139 of 2026 to come on record, this court directed the respondents / alleged contemnants to comply with the order without dislodging any other teacher who was already in service, and subject to their doing so, their presence on the next date was dispensed with. Suspensions.
I'm so deeply grateful.
Contempt case is accordingly.
Anyway, you were directed to be appointed only prospective to this order.
Indeed, my lord.
No question of your prospective.
There's no mention of
So there is
the retrospect.
This says three months, within 3 months.
Yes, indeed, my
So
lord.
that is prospective.
Very
No
good.
question of no.
I will leave it there. I'm so deeply
Most of
grateful.
it. 51.
This order may be of relevance because there'll be another contempt on Monday which is listed for the another TP, but the order is common.
I see, order is common.
Order is common. That's for Odisha. So it'll come up
Some
on
other state.
Odisha, my lord. We'll be troubling again, my lord.
Glad it doesn't affect us.
Very
Truly grateful, my lord. Deeply grateful.
So you can only hope that they also come to you.
Grateful, my lord. Deeply grateful.